So we are here for the NCAA Women's College Volleyball Scores for Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. So let's go talk about them. So we have American University defeats Maryland Shore in 3 straight sets. It's a 3-0 sweep. American University remains unbeaten on the season at 4-0. Louisiana Tech improves to 2-2 with a dominant 25-10, 25-16, and sets 2-3 win over Alcorn State. Alcorn State lost their first 2 matches at 1-2. Florida Atlantic goes to 3-0. It's a pretty easy third set and second set. Second half, they dominated that 3-0. Appalachian State goes to 4-0, and they defeat Elon, who lost their 2 games in the NCAA Aggie Phoenix Invitational. And North Carolina Aggies and the Elon Phoenix trying to make a North Carolina team, like tournament, like multi-team invitational tournament. They lost 3-0. So they lost both of them. And Elon won, lost this one. And now App State won 4 over the seed. North Carolina Central defeats Gardner Webb 3-0 in the sweep. The Citadel got dominated by Georgia Southern, 25-11 in set 1-2, and 25-16 in set 3. So Georgia Southern is now 3-0 on the year, while the Citadel go to 0-4 on the year. And then Florida, number 12, Florida. They had to go to 4 sets against South Florida, but they keep South Florida winless at 1-3, and they're 3-1 big winners. Kennesaw State beats Mercer not 3 sets in 4 sets, 3 sets to 1. Mercer, though, does remain winless on the season, 0-4. St. Peter's improved. Both teams were 1-2 win that game. And St. Peter's proves to 2-2 in the season with a 3-1 win over NJIT, the New Jersey Institute of Technology. Nichols sweeps Grambling 3 sets to nothing. Grambling is now 0-4 in the year. Nichols is perfect 3-0. Alabama A&M with a 3-1 win over North Alabama. There's a couple of in-state Alabama teams falling out. Same with Michigan, Eastern Michigan. Michigan defeats them in 3 sets. The first set was dominant, 25-12. The second set was 25-19, 25-20. Third set. Myanmar had a decently easy time. It's winless Peruvian 1-3. That's why they fought 0-4. Both teams are from Texas. And then we have Northern Colorado. Had to go to 5 sets against Colorado State, but they did, and win 3-2. Seattle Pacific, non-Division I Seattle Pacific sweeps Manhattan 3 sets, 25-20, 25-22, 25-21, and then Pepperdine had to go to 4 sets. The only set that was 25-14. UCA dominated Pepperdine in the second set. You thought, Pepperdine. I know Pepperdine actually turned back around that third and fourth set. And then on the 3rd of September, they have a few games going on right here. They have a few invitations going on right now. So, let's go talk about safe. Number 15, Kansas, 1-3 in the season. They're taking on Bowling Green at 2-1. in the Stacy Classic. That is hosted at Purdue as its B1G plus Big Ten Network plus. And then Villanova is 2-0, taking on 0-4 Bigman, traveling to 0-4 Bigman 6 Eastern. Then we have a couple of 2-1 teams. Queens 6 Eastern. Queens and South Carolina State. And then Akron at Cleveland State. Yes, Akron Cleveland State are in a multi-team invitational. And those two teams are playing each other as well as their non-conference foes. Akron in the Horizon, or in the MAC. Cleveland State out of the Horizon League. So then we have Duke at Texas Tech. Duke against Texas Tech, I guess. In the Classic City Clash, as untelevised at 6 Eastern. So then we have ESPN Plus at South Carolina at Coastal Carolina at 6 Eastern. So, South Carolina, Central Columbia, and Coastal Carolina. South Carolina, Coastal Carolina is from Myrtle Beach area. And then at 6:30 Eastern, Ohio State at Miami, Ohio. Ohio State is winless in your Miami. Going to Miami, Ohio is 3-0. We have a couple 1-2 teams. Ohio State and Abilene Christian, 7 Eastern. Michigan State 2-0 against Evansville 1-2, 7 Eastern. Then we have the 3-0 Georgia Tech, number 23, number 17 Purdue at 2-0, in the CC Classic at 7 Eastern. And Big Ten on B1G plus. Number 2 Texas at 2-0 against 1-1 Race, 7 Eastern Eastman. And then there's another Rainbow Y, another. Hawaii usually has a couple volleyball classics, like volleyball multi-team shows in Hawaii. Hawaii went winless in the first one. You did? Yes, they went winless in the first one. In the second one, trying not to go win, trying to have their fortunes run. Yeah, might have a chance because they're taking out the San Jose State at 0-2. And Utah Valley 1-2 battling out 7 Eastern on Wednesday until ice game. And then SC Plus has Troy at Auburn, 7 Eastern. New Haven at New Hampshire. New Haven is playing their first game of the season. And New Hampshire is 3-0 on the year. This is 7 Eastern Eastman Plus. Or actually until ice game. It could be an Eastman Plus with the America East, if America East. But that's an untelevised America East game. That's going to be on America East TV. In the Kansas Classic, we have NCC at 3-0 against Kansas State at 2-0. That's at 7:30 Eastern on ESPN Plus. And at 9 Eastern, 6 Pacific time, we have 3-0 Portland and 3-0 Oregon